Hey there, America. Like I said, we are under attack, and we're being genocide by the system. They don't want to hire white men, and they don't want to promote white men. They just want to work us to death and steal all our money and kill us. They want to make sure that we never have money for family wage jobs. They don't ever want us to have a family. They don't want us to have a future. They're trying to genocide white America. So we can't work with them. We can't do business with them, and they're not ever going to treat us fairly. So the best thing we can do is take care of ourselves and work stocks, do your stocks until you get enough money to buy your own property, get your own property and start buying your own cows and chickens and providing for yourself and keep your taxes extremely low and live a life of poverty. You can trade stocks and you can earn, I think it's $45,000 a year, and you don't have to pay capital gains tax. You can still earn more in the stock world, but as long as you only keep your draw down to like $40,000 a year and just live off that on your property, on your cows and your chickens and stuff, and living free with no stress. You don't have to pay federal taxes, so you don't have to pay into the war, and you don't have to be responsible for killing little babies overseas. You can take care of yourself. You can make your own money. You can buy your own land. You can get your cows and your chickens, and you can take care of yourself. You can drink the milk. You can eat the eggs. You can make the butter. You can make the cream, and you don't need anybody. You don't need nothing. Just take care of you and yourself, and keep your taxes extremely low. And one of the stocks that I like working with is was it UCO? Um, it's an oil stock. It's a Bloomberg ultra crude oil stock, and it's extremely volatile. I've taken some pictures of a 1 month chart. I want to show you how it declines, and I'm very interested in it because it's in a steep decline right now. Oil is at the low, so you want to buy as much as possible when it's low on the bottom of the Bollinger Band like this, and you want to accumulate as many shares as you possibly can, and wait until the price exceeds the mean and starts heading to the top band. And you want to sell as high as possible. But you got to work it in correlation with the MACD, and the MACD is going to tell you when it's time to sell. You have to learn these indicators, but also just don't look at the 30-day chart. You gotta squeeze down and start looking at the 3-day chart, the 5-day chart, and you can see the last 3 days of the 30-day chart. I gave you a 3-day chart, and you can see the big spikes. And even though the price is declining, there's always opportunities for you to buy early in the pre-market, and you can sell at the top during the market, or swing it and wait a couple of days and sell at the top. But the beauty of stocks like this, these ETFs and these commodities, oil and gold and even Tesla. I would throw Tesla in there because it's a tech ETF. But it's the ETFs are so volatile; they're up and down all the time. You can make huge money off those swings, and you have to start learning. You learn the math, you learn the stats, you learn the Bollinger Bands, you learn the MACD, and you learn how to work them all together, and you learn how to buy low and sell high. It's not that hard. Start reading books, follow Warren Buffett, listen to everything he says. He's the master at this shit, and you get really good at it. Then you start doing options, and options will make you very rich, and you don't ever have to work for them ever again. You'll never be their slave. You'll never be their slave. You'll be free on your own land, taking care of yourself, and you'll never be a slave to them. We can beat these scum. We can beat them in the ground. We can beat the holy snot out of them. We will dominate them. We will thrive, and we will take this country back. I promise you.